Guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of full screen on the application of Tinder. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this window of Tinder and you can click here. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your